What's up, you car enthusiasts? As you can see, we're getting some snow here in Missouri. Anyways, I want to show you something that my dad did to the truck here. Gotta get in the shop here. Whew, it's cold. Also, I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed, you're not a car enthusiast and you should probably subscribe. Whew. Brr, it's cold in here. Lights need to warm up. Anyways, guys, as you can see here, the truck is sitting much lower than ever before. I wasn't able to record it because I was at school when my dad did it, but he actually removed 2 more leaf springs from the front to get it down a little further. So total, he's removed 4 leaf springs, making there being 3 left, I believe. Yeah, as you can see, there's 3 left. We've been talking to a lot of guys that got these Sweptline trucks, and my dad's truck started with it having actually 7 leaf springs, and a lot of other guys said that theirs started with 5. So we're thinking this truck originally had a big block in it from the guy that my dad bought it from. So we're thinking he might have added leaves to it to stiffen it up for the weight of the big block. But yeah, it's sitting a lot better. We don't know if it's gonna have bump steer or not. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a rake there, but the back still needs these lowering shackles here. And like I said, possibly moving this perch up here. Here's a little side by side of the before and after of taking the 2 extra leaves out right here. Isn't that incredible? My dad will be here later tonight after he gets off work, and we're gonna start doing some work. Oh, that's pinching. That wasn't pinching before. But getting the running boards in there, weld those in. Shuts pretty good. Right.
I just have to weld it all in there and make that inside bracket and attach it to the inside bracket.
That's making it look a lot better.
You're supposed to have a piece that comes down over here.
It's way better. What kind of tool is that thing? What is that?
It's a drill. Tire grinder.
Didn't look like it was doing much.
Harbor Freight.
Socks on a rooster. Why do you punch holes in the floorboards but not this?
I want to punch holes in it, so what I'm doing now is I take it back out.
Gotcha. I don't know. Thought you were doing them different. What's better than the holes than just welding on the outside?
It holds better, makes it stronger.
Because it's in the
Weld on
inside.
the outside too.
I'm gonna say a lot of people I saw just welding on the outside.
Yeah. It's just asking for a stress crack.
Welder in. So what, you're gonna cut this off right here?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna use that for a filler piece.
It's gonna go right under here. In that gap there. Definitely got the good use out of the hood. You ain't getting that in there. It's toasty. $80 for those, and what are the floor pants?
136.
Instead of $1,400 for the whole kit, or $1,200.
No, it's more than that.
What, the kit's more than that?
Yeah, it's like almost $3,000 for everything.
Oh
I
geez,
tell you, buy the cab mounts and all the brackets and full floors.
that's ridiculous. So yeah, that looks pretty dang good then. All good? Pretty sticker. Hashtag welders get it.
Man, that does make it look a lot better.
Yeah, looks much gooder. Much more gooder.
More better.
I'm gonna do this guy dash in gray or black.
Gray, I think.
Yeah, I think gray would look good rather than black. What do y'all think? Gray or black? Rocker panel number 2. Smoky.
Too much dip.
Too much tobacco dip? Whew. Stank it. My dad and I were just putting rocker panels on the truck here, and he's been talking about how he wants a different steering wheel for the truck. This one popped up here, a Grant. It's kind of like a cherry red color here. It popped up on a Facebook marketplace. A guy locally here that has a lot of cool cars, an old C10 and Chevelle and stuff, but decent price on it, so I picked it up real quick. So now I got a steering wheel for the truck. Look out, baby steps. I think that was a pretty good $20 find there though. Pretty good shape, really. Came with some extra goodies in there. A lot smaller. Oh yeah.
That's what I want. As long as the power steering works, it don't matter.
Pretty. Got the rocker panels finished. Pretty. Looks right. Alright. Time to get the gas tank in. Oh, that makes sense why you're putting that there now, right? I thought you were putting it up inside here.
Oh, hell no.
Where the gas cap was in the center.
No. Put an angle on it all the way around it, so I can slide it in there. And right here, I'm just gonna put a piece of flat that bolts in, or actually, I'm gonna put a piece of angle on it that goes in there. It puts a bolt in, so if I ever take tank out, I just slide it straight out the back.
What do you got to do back here?
Weld a piece of angle in there. A piece of flat, maybe. I'll cut the bottom off. I'm gonna cut it through there. I'm gonna cut it here. And I'll take this.
Oh, then
fold
put
it
you.
up,
Oh.
and we'll weld a gusset in there flat.
Perfect. Wonder how much weaker that makes it though. But I guess if you're boxing it.
Maybe just as strong.
Yeah.
What's it holding anyways?
That's true. Budget build. Here's the metal. No one ever complained about too thick.
up to about between C and D.
Hot. Melt your fingers holding that. Those work good. If you guys want to see anything or know anything different about this truck, please ask away. Leave down video suggestions down in the comments. I'm going to continue to do this channel. I'm having a lot of fun with it, and thank you all for the support. It's been a great time so far. I want to emphasize this truck is a budget build. We're not trying to make no SEMA truck or anything. This is on a budget. My dad has very little money in this truck. When he bought it, I believe he paid like $1,200 for this truck and got 2 parts trucks. Sold so many parts that the truck's basically free, except now starting to spend some money because he's got, you know, the pretty wheels and tires there, and bought paint, stuff like that. But other than that, this truck was mechanically sound. I mean, he got it fired it up within a day of just tinkering with it. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. We got the rocker panels on both sides. Didn't quite finish up the gas tank. We only have 2-inch C channeling. My dad's needing like 1 1/4 or something, but that'll be finished here soon. We'll wrap that up on the next video, then a little bit more body work, and probably try and paint the inside of this cab. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.